Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful, very special 1969 Mustang. It's not your average Mustang though. It's got a 2007 Mustang underneath it. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Doing well. How about yourself?
What a killer car. Stance is everything, dude.
Stance is everything. It's very unique. One of kind, 69, sitting on an 07. Killer paint job.
Maserati, right?
Maserati black. You got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, a little bit of old meeting new technology, which for me is what it's all about these days.
Everyone's dream, man.
Everyone's dream. What I love most about it is completely blacked out.
Yeah, it's like Batman's car.
Yeah, that's what everybody says. Typically when we go to the car show, it's a major attraction. Everyone's always coming up to the car, looking at it, asking questions. I love the 5-speed because if you're gonna have one of these cars, you know what? The most amount of fun you can have in it is, driving a manual.
Absolutely. Every muscle car should be.
Air conditioning pumps out cold. Also, this up here, when you put on the signals, they blink left to the right.
Cool. Just like the original.
Yeah.
A lot of metallic in the paint. It's absolutely beautiful. It's sitting on 20-inch Foose wheels, which kind of signify the 70 and 69 style. It's been stretched. The front fenders, I think, they've been stretched about 2 inches, right?
Yes.
By the door. The balances have brought down a little bit as well. The whole car has been widened, I think, 4 inches all the way around, 2 inches on each fender to accommodate the larger Mustang underneath it. 4.6 under the hood, and basically everything 2006 Mustang.
2007. 2007.
Yeah, 2007. Man, they did such a nice job.
Yeah. A lot of work, a lot of detail, a lot of hours.
Look how wide the quarters are now. So cool. I like what they did with the back balance too. So wide.
They should be making these cars today.
Right?
Right, looking like this.
Just love what they did with it. Front wheel's been moved forward a little bit. What do people say at the car show? They gotta be flipped out.
Everyone goes crazy over this car, and I'm not trying to brag, but typically there could be 400 or 500 cars every Friday night at the car show. This has to be one of the top 5 attractions week after week after week, because it is rare. Between the paint job, stretching the car out a little bit, sitting on the 07 body, frame, it's a major attraction.
Very cool.
Plus the car rides awesome.
Yeah. 2013, it won the Good Guys National in Nashville. First place. Cool, man. Inside is all 2007 Mustang.
Got a little bit of Bluetooth technology in this car as well.
Oh yeah? This cord here.
Plugging that cord, goes to your iPhone, and when you're on the phone, it goes right into the speakers.
Very cool. Nice plus. I love the blend of the old and the new. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Sounds great. There it is, 4.6. Surprising when you open the hood, man.
Yeah.
Really cool.
People are actually blown away in the car show when they pop the hood and they see that they fit this motor in here.
And then you look at the undercarriage, it's all 07 Mustang. Very cool. Fantastic job. still have ABS brakes?
Yes.
Wow. Very cool. Intermittent wipers too, which is pretty neat.
Not that it ever sees rain, but it does
Yeah.
come in handy.
That is cool. Probably the first 69 Mustang I've seen with intermittent wipers. Very cool.
Got power windows as well.
Power locks, right?
Yes.
Keyless entry. Can we go for a ride around the block?
Yeah, sure.
Sits nice and low. Yeah, it sounds so good, man.
Oh, steady as a rock.
Look, Ma, no hands. I like the Mustang mirror too. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Very cool. Looks like they're LED too. Very cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.